What is going on, guys? Welcome to a kind of different episode of Home Built Workshop. Today I'm going to do kind of a daily vlog because I got some cool things that I'm working on and I want to bring you guys along for the ride. We're going to try this out because I have got some exciting things, hopefully that'll make up the day, and who knows, maybe if this goes over well, we'll do it a little bit more often. So right now, we got to get some coffee. It's still kind of early. That's better. All right. So, what are we doing today? We are getting some lumber from my local lumber dealer. I've got a project in the works that I gotta go up there and pick up some lumber. These things are supposed to be coming down off the mountain in beams, like a 10 by 10 or 12 by 12 kind of beam, kind of a good sized beam. And we gotta cut them down up there on their really cool resaw. Oh, look at that. Oh, washed out big time. So what I need to be doing here is getting a space set up, because as soon as I get back with these boards, I need to glue up a tabletop for a company that I'm working with. We're making a tabletop. This is going to be really awesome. And we're using really soggy wet wood, and this will all make sense in a little bit. So as soon as I get back from the lumber yard, we got to get this thing put together. So I got to set up a little workspace. I'm going to do it all outside because of the size of it. Can't quite do it in here. Looks like a workbench to me. Ugh. Clamps. All right, I think that about wraps up everything I need at the moment. What I'm going to do also while I'm at the hardwood dealer is I'm going to have some chunks of elm that I have laying around get sliced up. They've got a really awesome resaw machine up there. We're going to slice up some boards as well as these beams for this project, so I got to get those things loaded up. Since I don't have a pickup, I got to make do with this thing, so gonna lay things out on this tarp. Got a log here. These are some elm logs that were taken down from here on the property. I don't know what kind of lumber we'll get out of them. They've been sealed up for about a year. We're gonna slice them open. Hopefully it's usable stuff. Also got this piece of quilted maple. Gonna resaw that into some guitar tops. All right, so our beams are in. Let's go. Let's go for a little ride. We are here at JW Hardwoods. Let's go in and have a look at our beams, see what we got to get done. Ooh, that one's a little. Ooh, I like this one. That one's maxed out right there, the meter. Man, that was actually a fair amount of work, getting all that stuff sawed up. We got the pine for the table we're gonna build. We got our elm logs sawed up. Man, that was cool. That Baker Resaw, pretty awesome. I think it's just the name. Can't get much cooler than that. Now I've got to get to work. I've got to try to get this table glued up today. Hopefully I can pull that off. If not, it's gonna be first thing in the morning. I'll get it finished up. I'm gonna go ahead and end most of the vlog right here. I might throw in a couple clips of me working on these pieces, but I need to get busy, nose to the grindstone, and get this thing done. So guys, if you like this kind of style, something different for me, but it was kind of fun putting together, and just let me know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. If you kind of want to see some more stuff like this. Don't worry, these videos will not replace my regular project videos, but if you guys kind of like it, I might throw in some more stuff like this. So let me know down below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.